Instagram just roll out the new feature called Your Algorithm. So I want to show you how to use Instagram new feature called Your Algorithm. First open up the Instagram, and here as you notice it, I have accessed the new feature which one is a Your Algorithm. So now when you open up the specific reel on Instagram tab, so here you notice it at the top there is a new option called Your Algorithm. So now with the help of this new Your Algorithm feature, you can easily control all your suggested feeds on Instagram Explorer page. So first I want to show you how we can aid our interest on this new Your Algorithm features, what you want to see more of. So if you tap on plus, so here you can search anything like technology. Now if I go to the arrow, so here you notice that the technology is successfully added, and if you want to avoid a specific word, you need to simply tap on this one. So this is the what you want to see less of. So I want to just type here, so here I want to just type the cars, and now if I add, so Instagram algorithm will hide all the car related contents. So this is the new feature which recently go viral on Instagram. So in this video I show you how to use Instagram Your Algorithm feature by using this method.